I'm Dave Fortin reporting for My News 26 with a story of automotive design, restoration, and diversification to keep employees working. That story right here at Time Machines Unlimited, located in Antrim County near Ellsworth. And we mentioned automotive design. For instance, what is one of your claims to fame?
Well, certainly the Chrysler LeBaron convertible back in '81, which helped save Chrysler at the time.
Mm-hmm. And what inspired that? I mean, how did you start?
Well, we had a company called Cars and Concepts, and Chrysler was looking for ways to expand their product interest with the customer base. They only had a station wagon, a four-door, and a two-door, and they wanted us to dress those up. And I proposed rather taking the two-door and making it into a convertible, and that's what we did, and it made a big hit.
And you worked on design for the other major car companies?
Yes, I started my career at General Motors as a designer, but with Cars and Concepts we did designs for the Ford Mustang convertible, Oldsmobile convertible, and then all kinds of vehicles like the Cadillac STS was a creation of ours.
Yeah. Now, then you came up north and you started restoring classics and antique cars.
Pursued my hobby, of restoring my own cars, and others came to me and we started on customer cars, and that's where Time Machines began.
And you're working on several cars here now.
Oh yes, we have quite a range, everything from Mercedes, Jaguars, Pontiacs to a Bugatti.
Mm-hmm. And you collect. What are some of your favorites? I think I see some right here.
Yes, I'm soft for older Ferraris. I don't know many people who aren't, especially the V12 models like this 250 Lusso behind me, and
that's the blue one.
The blue one,
mm-hmm.
And the one above is a 330 GTS convertible, which is a pretty rare car. They only built 100.
And you're working on an XKE.
Yes, another convertible. I have this tendency to fall into convertibles, but yes, an XKE, a 66 Roadster.
Mm-hmm. So how about that diversification we talked about? Well, that's the rest of the story.
During the downturn in 2009, we needed to find additional work, and we just translated the skill sets our workers had into other marketplaces, predominantly marine and food service.
And what are you making for the marine industry?
Well, we started with convertible tops, doing a convertible for Hinckley Yachts up in Maine, and moved that into power window sets for a variety of manufacturers, including Hinckley, Sabre, Intrepid, Grand Banks, etc.
And food service?
Food service is stainless steel fabrication, much of what we were doing in marine. So we have a line of floor troughs that are self-washing for the restaurants, and we also do a large model line of grills, wood-fired grills for the commercial food industry.
The diversification has led to growth, which has created a problem of finding more qualified employees. For My News 26, Dave Fortin reporting.